WhatsApp has recently introduced a new AI chatbot feature powered by Meta's advanced AI technology. This allows WhatsApp users to interact with the AI assistant to engage in conversations, ask questions, receive recommendations, and even generate images based on text prompts. The AI assistant can answer questions, provide recommendations, and maintain natural dialogues on a wide range of topics. One of the key features of Meta AI chatbot is its ability to generate images in real time based on text prompts. Welcome, folks. Today we're exploring the latest advancements in technology and innovation in the world of artificial intelligence. And let's discuss an innovative project that's changing the game, Meta Llama. This open source AI model has been marking waves in the tech community, and we are here to break it down for you. Meta Llama is an open source AI model developed by Meta, the same company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. The project aims to mainstream AI by providing a powerful tool for developers, researchers, and creators to build innovative applications. The journey of Meta Llama began with the release of Llama 2, the first version of the AI model available only for academic use. The team at Meta recognized the potential of open source innovation and decided to make Llama 3, the latest version, available for everyone. The history of Meta Llama dates back to February 2023, when the initial release of Llama model took place. This marked the beginning of a new era in the development of large language models by Meta AI. The Llama series, including Llama 2 and latest Llama 3, has seen significant advancements and innovations in the field of artificial intelligence, particularly in the realm of language processing and understanding. The models have evolved in terms of parameters, capabilities, performances, with Meta positioning them as industry leading models, surpassing competitors like Google, Mistral, and others. The democratization of technology and the open source nature of MetaLlama have been pivotal in fostering collaboration, innovation, and a sense of shared purpose among tech enthusiasts worldwide. The release of Llama models as open source has not only prompted equality and opportunity, but has also paved the way for a surge in innovation across various industries, from healthcare and education to entertainment and e commerce. As with any innovative technology, Meta Llama has faced its fair share of challenges. The major concern was the need of careful and responsible development and use, ensuring safety, proper testing, adherence to rules, and human checks. Meta is serious about creating and using AI, like Llama 3, in a way that is careful and thoughtful. They focus on making sure it's safe, tested properly, follows rules as human checks. When using Llama 3, it's important to keep an eye on what it creates to ensure nothing harmful or wrong gets through. Some ways to address these challenges include checking content by hand before sharing, using automatic checks to catch problematic topics or words, and using feedbacks to improve the model over time. These measures are crucial to keep the content in check, ensure safety, and maintain appropriateness in the use of MetaLlama. So, what makes MetaLlama so beneficial? For starters, it's incredibly powerful, capable of understanding complex ideas and working with both words and pictures. This makes it an ideal tool for a wide range of applications, from language translation to code generation and dialogue generation. With its global availability across Meta's platform, including Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, MetaLlama empowers users to be more productive, creative, and connected. The model's powerful search integration and real time results provide seamless access to information, while its contextual awareness and multilingual capabilities cater to diverse user needs. Leveraging the latest advancements in AI, such as tokenization and attention routing, MetaLlama delivers enhanced efficiency and performance without excessive power requirements. Importantly, Meta's commitment to responsible development and safety measures ensures that Llama 3 is used ethically and appropriately. The open source nature of the model encourages collaboration and innovation as developers and researchers worldwide contribute in its ongoing evolution. So, how does Meta Llama stack up against other models like ChatGPT? While both models are powerful, Meta Llama's open source nature and focus on collaboration set it apart. By evolving the global developer community, Meta Llama has the potential to accelerate innovation and make AI more accessible to everyone. Meta Llama, designed to be more efficient and less resource intensive than ChatGPT, is smaller in size and requires less computational power to run. It is more accessible to a wider range of users, including researchers and developers who may not have the access to high performance computing resources. On the other hand, ChatGPT is a very large model with over 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest LLMs available. While ChatGPT is known for generating complex and sophisticated language, its resource intensiveness may limit accessibility and fine tuning challenges for some users. Meta AI is now available in more than a dozen countries outside of the US, including Australia, Canada, Ghana, Jamaica, Malawi, New Zealand, Nigeria, Pakistan, Singapore, South Africa, Uganda, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. It can be used across various meta platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, allowing users to get things done, learn, create, and connect with the things that matter to you. Additionally, Meta AI is integrated into search across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, enabling users to access real time information from across the web without having to switch between applications. Meta AI is smarter, faster, and more fun than ever before due to its latest advances with Meta Llama 3. The article hints at more features and global availability to come, stating that we are just getting started. It's an exciting time for Meta Llama, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. That's it for today's video on Meta Llama. This open source AI model has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and each other. By embracing collaboration and innovation, we can create a safer and more inclusive AI ecosystem for everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content.